Are you ready to feel the thrill of the road like never before? Discover the top manual transmission cars that will reignite your passion for driving. First up, the 2025 Hyundai Elantra N with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine. It delivers 276 horsepower and 289 pound-feet of torque, all channeled through a 6-speed manual transmission. Next, the 2025 VW Jetta GLI. This sedan boasts a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, producing 228 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque, with a standard 6-speed manual transmission. The 2025 Mazda 3 Hatchback 2.5S Premium offers a 2.5-liter engine with 191 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission for a dynamic driving experience. Meet the 2025 Toyota GR86, a sports car at heart with a 2.4-liter boxer engine, 228 horsepower, and a 6-speed manual transmission, designed for agility and performance. The 2025 Honda Civic C continues its legacy with a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, 200 horsepower, and a 6-speed manual transmission, offering a blend of performance and efficiency. Celebrating its 35th anniversary, the 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata features a 2.0-liter engine, 181 horsepower, and a 6-speed manual transmission, maintaining its iconic 53-47 weight distribution. Don't forget the 2025 Jeep Wrangler, equipped with a 3.6-liter V6 engine, 285 horsepower, and a 6-speed manual transmission, perfect for off-road adventures. Despite the decline in demand, these cars prove that the manual transmission is still alive, offering unmatched driving engagement and control. So, are you ready to take the wheel and experience the road like never before? Embrace the power and precision of these incredible manual transmission cars.